Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, man. Got an 04 Suzuki GSSR 1000, man. One of my partner's bikes. It was on one of my previous videos of me doing what did I do? Oh, changing the oil. I showed you guys how to change the oil on this bike. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to put the front brake pads on. Okay. So first thing you want to do, man, and this was a hard one, you know, in a way. Hold it like this. This one was a kind of a hard one because he had done run the damn brake pads down so bad that he was all on his metal here. See, I mean, they gone. He gonna need a rotor, but he don't want to put one on right now. So we got the brake pads here, and you got two bolts right here that goes just like that, guys. All right. Now these bolts are a pain, man, because they have Loctite and they torque down. All right. Somebody had been in it previously, and they got the studs all stripped out on them. So I had to take an Allen. These are, I had to take an oversized Allen, put down there, and then tap down on it with the hammer to get it to get these things broke loose, man. Okay. So you might want to watch out for something like that, right? You can see the Loctite that was in there. Next thing you want to do, once they'll be on like this. You get them broke off like that. Get them broke off, meaning you get the broke and then took it off. You take the brake caliper down. You'll have two screws. These two set screws right here. Just like that. Alright. Now those two screws are going to run through these two holes right here, guys. They're going to run through these two holes, right? So they're going to set this here up. Slide my pins back out. These are called pins, but they screw pins. See if you can see up in there. Don't a lot pad come on these things, but you do get some. Try to get it like that. Get these pins to slide back up through them brake pads. You'll know if you get them in there right, because the stud right here will line up. So you just keep working with it, man, till you get it to line up. It will line up if it's right. Same thing with this one right here. See, that one went down to where it supposed to went. The other one wants to be a hole. I done moved my Allen out the way. There you go. There you go. See how that started in there? Just like that. That's how they start in there. Push them right in there. Notice I just got it started. I didn't tighten it down. Here. Now I can go ahead and tighten that down. I'll wait till I get them back on to tighten them all the way down, guys. I want to make sure I don't have no crimp in my brake line. And these right here, just like if you ever put any car brake pads on right down in there, well, make sure you got them separated, man, so to go back up on the rotor. Because if they ain't separated enough, you gonna struggle. Open that up a little bit. You ain't got to wedge it that much. You just got to get it open. Make sure that brake line is not in no bind. Should have went up in there. Let's try it again. Still don't want to go. Let me get a screwdriver. Yeah, in some cases, you have to open this thing up even more. You know, just press on the side of it. Like so. You see that cylinder, that caliper moving out? Look at that gap now. I shouldn't have no problem now getting it in there. See that? Just wasn't open far enough. Slide it in there like that, guys. Put your, start your nut. It's a long boat, ain't it? Run them down, then I'll tighten it down. All right, got that one. Don't sit there, boy. Watch the camera, John. Then you'll lock this one here down. Just a half a turn, man. Y'all seen that? From here to there. From there to there. Half a turn on all of it. And from the big ones, if it's set like that at 6 o'clock, I'm going to a quarter till, 9 o'clock. Down from 6 o'clock right here to 9 o'clock. 6 to 9. 6 to 9, like that. That should be tight enough. Okay? Not to do that, just I'm on the wrong side. There you go. Pump until they pump back up. Alright guys, that's going to do it for replacing the front brake pads in the GXSR Suzuki 1000 04 model. Alright, the next step is we're going to tighten some of this chain. You hear that? It has a chain guard there, but this thing got a long stretch to it. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to get it off the ground. And then we're going to take some of that slack out. You know, he needs a turn or two on that chain, man, all right? So you guys hang.